Welcome back to Swede. Specialized from California and Fjallraven from Sweden want us to experience just how easy it is for the uninitiated to discover a much-needed sense of escape. Something as simple as a day at the local park, perhaps. You see, despite the difference between the minds at Specialized and our Fjallraven friends from Sweden, both parties believe that life by hike and bike is a better life. And this extraordinary exchange of cultures has brought about an amazing insight into how we all might discover the great nearby. See you on the trails.